This is the VFW public boat launch in Wapwallopen. We're on the way to Wapwallopen. It's a nice boat launch. I'm saying this all again because my lens was all covered with fog before. And there's a couple stumps out here. There's a big bird up there. Can't tell if it's an eagle or anything. And there's some more stumps, but it's a nice bend in the river. Hope we catch something. See you later. Well, here we are on the Susquehanna. We've been fishing for about 45 minutes. Mark used up 10 worms, but didn't catch any fish yet. And it seems to be a popular spot. There's a boat way down there. And up there's the Council Cup. That'll give you an idea of where we are. And there's two guys fishing over there. We didn't see them catch anything yet either. So we don't know what's going on. There has to be fish in here. But where are they?
They're in the water.
And there's PPL nuclear plant. If we catch any fish here, they're probably going to be radioactive. Or else we might get some kind of mutant. There, say hello, Mark.
Hello. Good licorice, Gary.
Yeah, it is.
I think all the boats left.
You think?
I don't see one, do you?
Well, I don't know where they went. The one came from up here.
They got too hot. That's a big smallmouth bass.
It's a big smallmouth bass.
Yeah, that's a smallmouth bass.
Watch the hook. Watch the hook. Yeah.
Usually they jump out of the water. What the heck did he do here?
I don't know.
Here's your fish.
Here, take the camera.
Well, where did I wipe my hands off?
Well, I can't do both. Help.
We should have had about 10 or 15 of them by now. But it is a dandy.
Well, he wanted to fight. Okay, should I throw him back?
That's about 14-inch smallmouth bass.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, you got him. There you go.
There he goes.
You caught your doggone back.
One.
It's only 5 feet up to here, so keep an eye for stuff.
I thought we were drifting.
Right?
I thought we were going to drift.
So once we get down below that boulder.
Okay. You're supposed to pass on the right. was a rock.
Huh?
It was probably a rock.
Ooh, shitball, get scared. Yeah, it's only 3 feet here.
You gotta watch your
Where
depth.
do we get past it? Wave to him. See that? Now we're going 3.5 feet to the rock.
I looked around.
Was you? Walleye, turn the camera on. Look
Now
at the
just
teeth.
Mark got a walleye. Isn't that special? Look at those teeth. Yeah. Oh, he's mean.
Holy shit, that's a doggone walleye out of the river. I wonder if that's what they caught.
I don't know.
I'll bet you there's some damn big walleyes in here.
Yeah. Oh, 3 fish you got. Your lucky day.
By that rock, we know there's walleyes. Right?
Yeah.
In 8 feet of water.
Yep.
What else could you ask for?
A bigger one.
See, you gotta learn the river, right?
Yep.
Right by the rock.